If this is not the best ham and cheese sandwich into the air fryer, I don't know which one is it. And we're gonna begin with the mayo, which is really important, and you're gonna see why in a minute. Now you can make it homemade, which is very easy. All you need is 1 egg yolk, about half teaspoon of mustard, 1 splash of white wine vinegar, and about 150 milliliters of olive oil. Just make sure that you add your oil gradually so it doesn't split. Now from this mayo I want to separate 1 tablespoon, and we're gonna see why in a bit. The remaining mayo will get mixed up with about 2 teaspoons of whole grain mustard. Ham and whole grain mustard are really good friends, so I'm highly encouraging you adding this into your recipe. Now if you can get bread that's unsliced is ideal, because we want to get thicker slices of bread. And first we're going to go with the whole grain mustard mayo, thin layer on both sides. Now we're following up with sliced ham, and be generous, 2, 3, even 4 slices. Cheese, and in this situation I'm using fresh mozzarella cheese, but if you don't have fresh mozzarella cheese you can definitely go with regular mozzarella or with cheddar. I'm just gonna break it into pieces and these will melt nicely. The other slice goes on top. And now you're probably wondering, what about the remaining mayo? And this is gonna go on the outside of the sandwich, giving our sandwich a nice golden brown color whilst cooking. Now over the sandwich we also want to add some extra cheese. It will be absolutely delicious once it cooks in the air fryer. And we've got here cheddar cheese and mozzarella mixed together. And we're getting this into the air fryer until it gets golden brown in color. It shouldn't take longer than about 5 to 7 minutes. Now if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.